homework. Anytime you have percent, you need to make it into decimal and then times it by something, in this case the 4,000. Okay, make sure you do that. This gets you that. This gets you, let's see, 2,600, and this gets you, I think, something like 60. I think so. Let me make sure. Yep, that's it. I need to add another 0 here. And then divide it by this here, and this, and this. So 120 is 2, 650 is 4, and 232 is 5. Okay? And then you're doing it for 12 boys for 2 days. So 12 boys, then 2 days, times 12 is 24, times 12 is 48, times 12 is 60, and then times it for 2 days, 48, 96, 120. So basically, the coach needs to buy 48 apples, 96 serving of pasta, and 120 lemonade. With that information from here, if the high school coach bought 50 apples, so he need return 2 apples, right? Or you can say there are 2 apples left. And he needs to return pasta. He bought 100 and you only need 96. Return 4 serving of pasta. And he's short by 10 on the lemonade and by 10 lemonade. And we did this one. And we did this one. Now this one, if you didn't do it in class, you had a hard time. Most classes we did. I left kids to do it on their own because each line is line of best fit. So if you're having a hard time, let's just choose these 2 dots and draw a line that goes to it. Connecting those 2 dots. Well, this is 4 and 1,500, and this is 7 and 10,000. This is x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. Okay, so your slopes can be negative because it's going down. So first do slope y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y sub 2 is 10,000 minus y sub 1, which is 15,000. That's a negative 5,000 over 7, x sub 2 is 7 minus 4, which is 3. So 5,000 divided by 3 is 1. It's a negative. This is a negative. Your slope is negative. I see a lot of students in class having this answer, 0.7, round it to the nearest 10th place, because the 6 is repeating. Okay, so then you use y minus y sub 1 equals to m parentheses x minus x sub 1 point slope. You're using y minus y sub 1, which is 15,000, m, which is negative 166.7, parentheses x minus x sub 1, which is 4. Okay, and then you would do y minus 15,000 equals to negative 166.7x plus, reason why it's positive because you have two negative is a positive 666.7 rounded to nearest 10. 9.8, I think. Yeah. Then add 15,000. Negative 166.7x plus the rate of change. This is the rate of change down. This is dollar amount, okay? This is the dollar, 10,000 and 15,000. This is a dollar, and this age of a car. Basically, lose 5,000 every 3 years. Lose 5,000 every okay. 5,000 negative 5,000. Parallel means no solution. So basically this has to be the same. So y equals negative 1,666.7x plus 20. Coordinates of the outlier. This is an outlier, right? That is 7 and 18,000. Okay. State the association. Did we do that? Oh, that's this one. Some classes we finish. Okay. Let's not do the mean. Just do the median. Too much, right? For the price. 6,000. 8,000. 10,000. 12,000. 13,000. 15,000, there's two of them. You guys know how to find median, right? You're just doing the middle number. And then 15,000. Well, there's nothing at 16,000, so I shouldn't be writing that. Anyways, 15,000, there's one. 16,000, 17,000, there's one. 18,000, there's two. Last one is 20,000. Median is 14,000. Okay, that's the middle number. All right, you do the same for this one. You don't have to do the mean. Yeah. State the association as hours of sleep increase, math test score increase. I'm too tired to do this. Okay. Write a linear equation. Okay, it's just like the other line. Let's just pick two. 4 and 50 and 8 and not 85. 4 and 50. Let's draw a line in there. Make sure it hits them too. It's not hitting it. There we go. All right. Those of you know how to do it, you won't even watch this video. So, start with slope. 85 minus 50. That's 35 over 4 minus, this is 8. 8 minus 4. 4. Okay, so you use point slope. Point slope. Y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x at 1. Y minus y1, which is x1, y1. 50 equals to m, which is 35 over 4, parentheses x minus 4. Okay, y minus 50 equals to 35 over 4x minus 35. Add 35. Y is equal to what am I doing? Not add 35, add 50. Oh my lord, sorry. Add 50 always. I'm really tired. Y equals to 35 over 4x plus 15. That's the equation of a line. Your slope y-intercept is 0, 15, okay? Or just 15. One solution, the slope's different. So we just, one solution, slope's different. So we have y equals to 10x plus 20. Coordinates of outlier, it's 5 and 100. Okay, here the median of hours slept So most students know how to do this. So 4 is 1, 4 only. And you do that, and the median is 7, you'll get 5 is 1, 2. Three, nothing on 3, 4, 5, 5.5. Okay, 5.5 is 2 people. Okay, you finish it and find the median. It's, I think 7.5 is the median. Okay, that's a homework assignment. And then the other part is this one here. So if you didn't get it, pick 2 points, this point, find the slope, put point slope, solve it. I mean, no solution, same slope, different y-intercept. One solution, different slope. Okay, you do that. And then this one here is this one. That's equation of the line. And that's the last one. So if you didn't know how to do it on your own, this is it. But most of you should.